Working with metal is a powerful thing. I mean, you're constructing a ship that, you know, is the most powerful thing that sails across the ocean, and to be part of that, yeah, it makes you feel alive. Yeah. I'd worked in restaurants for 25 years. When the pandemic hit, I'm a type 1 diabetic, so to go back to a restaurant would have been silly. So I thought it was an opportunity to come here and do something different. I spoke to a Candy that works at SMCC, and she mentioned that there was this manufacturing program. So do a 3-week class. They offer you a job at the end of it to go to BIW, and you know it comes packaged up with, you know, benefits and healthcare, which is important for me. To me, that's a good investment. If you can give 3 weeks to enable you to get into a decent career, you can do it. You can make it work.